In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Forms you created. This simple guide will take just about 5 minutes of your time, but by the end of it, you'll be navigating through your Google Forms like a pro. First off, let's start with getting into Google Forms. You'll need to be signed into your Google account to view the forms you've created. So head over to the Google Forms website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button on the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type that in, then click next. It will then ask for your password. Enter your password carefully and hit sign in. Now this is where it gets interesting. Once you're signed into Google Forms, you might be wondering, where are all the forms I've worked so hard on? Well, Google Forms has made it incredibly easy to find them. Right there on the main page, look for a section titled Recent Forms. This section is a goldmine. It displays the forms you've recently worked on, making it super simple to pick up right where you left off on any project. It's worth noting that if you're an avid form creator and have a long list of forms, the Recent Forms section might not show all of them. However, it gives you a quick access point to your most recent activities. And that's it. You're now equipped to quickly find and access the Google Forms you've created. Remember, keeping your forms organized and knowing how to efficiently navigate Google Forms can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you're using these forms for work or school projects. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip that might come in handy. If you're having trouble finding a specific form, Google Forms has a search feature that can be a real time saver. Just type in a keyword related to the form you're trying to find and voila, it should appear in the search results. I hope this video helps you manage your Google Forms more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your digital tools.